This 2019 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 320G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 7, oven, smoke detector, skylight, microwave, external shower, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, LP detector, slideout, air conditioning, and 117 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 320G is 12,400 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.